Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing a Caramel CT103 high gloss tenor acoustic and electric ukulele. Let's get started. Oh, it comes with a big box. Ooh.
Just push the cardboard at the front because I can't see.
And we will be playing it as well so you can hear the full sound. I'm going to show you everything that comes with it so you know exactly what to get if you order it. So this video isn't sponsored or anything, it just happens I got one, so I thought I might as well do a review on it. But if you'd like to sponsor me, that would be very much appreciated. Now, this looks very exciting, doesn't it? This must be the casing that's coming in. I'm not going to open it yet, just to tease you, because we might as well open the bits and bobs first. Right, let's open the bits and bobs, shall we? This is what it comes with. Okay, so we've got a book. This is the book we've got, which, oh, it comes with little, it comes with loads of cards. That's quite useful. It comes with loads of chord prints. And I suppose it comes in with some history of the ukulele, and it shows you about the ukulele. So it's got loads of little facts in there. Oh, we've got a strap. Look at that. Got ourselves a little strap. That's good because these bits you have to buy extra, so they all come with it. Oh look, we've got a wire to set ourselves up to a speaker. A little thank you card. Oh, we've got a pick. Oh, we've got two picks. Look, we've got two picks. A cleaner, some spare strings, and by the looks of things, we've got there, you know, the things you put in when your strings are, aren't they? Some batteries, and I don't know what that is. The only thing I could think is it's for putting your strings in or taking them out, but that's that. Right, let's get to the main show.
You look at that. I mean, look at the strap's got to be £9.95. The strings are about £7. That cable's got to be at least £6, hasn't it? So you've got a fortune there, really.
Your pick's like 25p.
Yeah, but still, you've still got to buy
them.
And you've got a thank you note.
Get your batteries.
So
and then that's useful, especially if you've just started ukulele. Yeah. That's quite useful. All those chords. You tend to focus on the main chords, but you've got all these ones, and it shows exactly, and also this bit as well.
You've got 20 quid there anyway, so it puts your ukulele about.
Oh, and it shows you how to restring them as well.
Oh, don't forget to say how much you paid for it.
Right.
How much did you pay for it?
I don't know.
99.
How much?
£99.
Did I?
Yeah.
Right. This is the case it comes with, obviously. I've got a little zip at the front. Put your little bits and bobs in it. Now let's get to the main star of the show. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we steady? Ready? Ooh.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? It's high gloss as well. It's very much like my guitar.
It's very much like your guitar.
That is pretty. Oh, look at all around the edge. The embossed bit around the edge. Isn't that beautiful?
And this must be
I'm happy with that for £99.
Oh look, it's got a your tuner.
Yeah, well that's the electric bit.
Yeah, but it comes with tuners.
Yeah.
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 So it's got a tuner with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did expect it to have. To be
fair.
But
just because your guitar doesn't mean all the other electric ones have it.
Well, you know, you can't go wrong with that, can you? Try and tune it then.
I think I'm putting out of tune. I don't usually have a little thing on it. Oh, there we go.
Well, it's easy to tune then.
Yeah, it's not. Well, I suppose you don't lose your tuner when it comes with it, do you?
No, but on those 1-star reviews, they're giving it right slagging, saying it's hard to tune.
I don't think it's hard to tune. They're saying about the fact that it goes out of tune quite easily. I don't know if it goes out of tune easily, because I mean, usually you tune your instrument quite often anyway, don't you? Once you finish playing and it's left for a while, you know, temperature changes and stuff. It's gonna go out of tune, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like it's really hot.
And
today.
I think they're nylon strings, aren't they? And they tend to go out of tune quicker than because they're more elastic, aren't they? Almost. I don't know if they're elastic or more stretching them. But you can't grumble with that. I don't think.
Well, it's like, you know,
it's beautifully
you've got to have
finished.
a bit of hardness in your life, haven't you? Tuning your ukulele.
Yeah. Right. It's beautifully finished, isn't it?
It's very pretty. Very glossy. And it's got like the writing isn't just stuck on, it's like sort of
embossed.
What?
Embossed.
Is that the word?
Yeah. Like
Oh, no,
engraved,
so
isn't
it's
it?
got your things for your straps. Shall we put our strap on?
Yeah.
Right, let's get our straps on. I think I've got them right the way around. I might possibly not do, but oh well. Okay. I was scared of a dentist and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends were turning green. You're the magician's assistant in my dreams. The game unstuck. Oh, lady, running down to the riverside, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand man. Oh, I love you when you're singing that song. Yeah, I got off my phone 'cause you're gonna say words wrong. Yeah.
Yep, sounds
I
good.
just skipped to the solo to see what it sounded like on the solo.
I don't see that you can go wrong with that for 99 quid. I really don't.
I don't think you can.
And all
it's
that
very
stuff
pretty as
and a
well.
bag.
Yeah, I mean, looking at that, you know.
I mean, I've been to shops and you just get the ukulele. You've got to buy the bag and the lead, and particularly
It is
the
pretty damn
lead,
good, really,
and
for
everything
99.
separately. You don't get all that.
I mean, really, it is because of just like that box alone. I mean, you're looking at,
About 20 quid, I think.
well, really more. 'Cause your case is not going to be
So
20
for
quid.
you know, an amateur, which you know you are, ukulele. Well, I don't see why a professional can't play that, but you know, for an amateur, that is a pretty good ukulele. Well done, you, and you can use it at concerts now.
Yeah, you can plug it in. I mean, it is very, very good, isn't it?
It's beautifully finished.
It is.
I'm happy with that.
Handcrafted ukulele
It's
caramel.
handcrafted.
And also, you can eat your caramel chocolate bar while
Yeah.
playing your caramel ukulele.
Yeah, well done.
So it's not even that, but you know, you've got double there. Win-win. Well,
Right.
thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.